Hi there everyone. Welcome to the video lecture series on Z transforms. In this series I intend to cover the following topic, as this topic is extremely important for engineers and students of mathematics, especially if you are trying to get your mastery into the computational and discrete signal analysis and all those kind of fields. Then Z transform is the topic that you will need it sooner or later stage. The topics that shall be covering over here are the one that you see here, the prerequisites, definition, unilateral, bilateral transformation, and then we will dive into the examples and different kind of questions of Z transform. Then we shall be also seeing what is convolution, inverse Z transform, and the definition and the methods that are involved, that is partial or the linear combination method, the convolution method, residue method, division, and the binomial expansion. Each of these methods are quite important and they get you a good amount of grip about what Z transforms would look like. Okay, so that's what I intend to cover in this following topic. So I hope to see you all in the video lecture series of Z transform. Till then, keep solving good amount of mathematics. Thank you. I'll soon see you in the topic of Z transforms.